Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to make a transfer on Ace Money Transfer to a bank account. Well, this is quite simple. We're going to open our browser and type in Ace Money Transfer. Here, we're going to click on this result we have here, and then we'll choose our country of origin. Let's suppose our country of origin is Germany. Here we have Germany, and that we need to send money to Australia or Austria, for example. We will simply click this particular button right here, and now we can directly and easily choose a suitable payment method. In this specific case, we currently have the convenient option to bank account. So here we're going to carefully choose the different bank account methods that are readily available. Then here we meticulously select the precise amount to send, and here the exact amount the other person will ultimately receive. And well, here, once we thoughtfully click the button, we'll proceed to fill in all of our personal information and the recipient's essential information. And well, perhaps they'll prompt us to conveniently download their dedicated application, and it's also very highly likely that we'll need to accurately enter our payment details directly after clicking this important button. Nyam. And that's it. It's all quite straightforward and remarkably simple to understand. I sincerely hope this comprehensive explanation genuinely helps you. If you liked it, please comment and subscribe.